Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to give you two different options to convert Casper on MEXC exchange. For that, first of all, you need to open your MEXC app and then you need to log in into your account. If you don't have an account on MEXC, I will put the link of it down in the description so that you could come over here, create your account and verify it, and you could avail 8,000 USDT as sign up bonus. Now once you are on this page, simply tap on the more option and from here you need to select the convert option. Once done, you will be landed on this conversion page where in the from section you need to tap on this drop down menu, and from this list of cryptos you need to just scroll down and try to find Casper here. You can even use the search bar in the top in order to search for Casper, and as you can see that I guess Casper is not available in this list. So these lists keep on updating every single week, so make sure that you keep on checking if Casper is available here. If you are able to find Casper here, so you need to select it in the from section, and in the to section you need to select in which currency you want to convert it. Then you need to tap on the preview conversion option and you need to just convert it. The second option is to simply go back on the home page and tap on this trade option. Over here, tap on this drop down menu, and here in the search bar you need to simply search for Casper/USDT. Then after selecting it, select the sell option and enter the amount of cash that you want to convert into USDT, and basically you can sell your cash for USDT, and this will also work like conversion, but for this method you will have to pay a little fees. If this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.